Hello everyone and welcome to our quiz. Today on general knowledge, we prepared a few questions and you have a few seconds to find the answer. Let's begin.
In which sea would you find the Cayman Islands? Caribbean Sea. Which transcontinental country, Europe and Asia, spans 11 time zones? Russia. Which of these countries has 3 national capitals? South Africa. What is Earth's largest ocean by surface size? Pacific. What is the most widely spoken language of the world by first language speakers? Mandarin. What is the southernmost capital of an independent nation in the world? Wellington. Which country is the largest in the world by surface area? Russia. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Canada. Which of these is the largest river by discharge of water in the world? Amazon. Which country is the largest in South America by surface area? Brazil. What does the A stand for scuba diving? Apparatus.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci. Which fashion designer reportedly had a relationship with Winston Churchill? Coco Chanel. In Harry Potter, what is the name of the Weasleys' house? The Burrow. Who has been the Vice President of the United States since 2021? Kamala Harris. Which city had the first ever Fashion Week? New York in 1943. What nut is in the middle of a Ferrero Rocher? Hazelnut. Who is the highest spiritual leader of Tibet? Dalai Lama. Who invented the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Which civilization is known for the Trojan War? Greeks. What did Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone, and Evan Williams collectively create? Twitter. Where is known as the happiest place on Earth? Disneyland. For 2 points, if all of the states of America were placed in alphabetical order, what would be first and last? First, Alabama. Last, Wyoming. Which London Underground line has the most stations? District Line, 60 stations. What was the center of political power in ancient Rome? Senate. What temperature does water boil at? 100 degrees centigrade. What company is also the name of one of the longest rivers in the world? Amazon. What year did the Berlin Wall fall? 1989. Who wrote the classic American novel Their Eyes Were Watching God? Zora Neale Hurston. What element does the chemical symbol Au stand for? Gold. Which 2 states in the U.S. share the most borders with other states? Tennessee and Missouri. What is the more popular name for the portrait officially titled La Gioconda, painted in Florence in 1503? The Mona Lisa. At a restaurant, you'll see deer meat on the menu under what name? Venison. Where was the hottest ever temperature on Earth recorded, per the World Meteorological Organization? Death Valley, California, where it hit 134 degrees Fahrenheit in July 1913. What is the sign directly opposite Scorpio in the zodiac? Taurus. Which two countries have the longest shared international border? Canada and the US. What city hosted the 2014 Winter Olympics? Sochi, Russia. What is the longest-running Broadway show? The Phantom of the Opera, which finally closed in April 2023 after a record 13,181 performances. What is the human body's largest organ? Skin. What year was the first iPhone released? 2007. What is the longest above-water mountain range? The Andes. How many bones do sharks have? 0. What country was the Marxist revolutionary figure Che Guevara born in? Argentina. What was the first country to give women the right to vote? New Zealand in 1893. In Greek mythology, who was known as the messenger of the gods? Hermes. What is the deadliest mammal? The hippo. What was the birth name of boxing legend Muhammad Ali? Cassius Clay. In what city were the first infections of COVID-19 discovered? Wuhan, China. What is the name of the world's first cloned animal, a sheep named after in 1996? Dolly Parton. What's the shortcut for the paste function on most computers? Ctrl+V. Which river runs through Paris? The Seine. What is the official national anthem of the United States of America? The Star-Spangled Banner. What was Twitter's original name? Twitter. How many colors will you find in a regular bag of M&Ms? 6. What's the most popular drink in the world that is not alcohol? Coffee. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What is the chemical symbol for tin? SN. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? Venus. Which famous art movement did Pablo Picasso co-create? Cubism. Which U.S. president is featured on the $2 bill? Thomas Jefferson. What phase does a moon enter into after it's full? Waxing gibbous. Where on the food pyramid do eggplants belong? In the fruit section. What alcoholic beverage is made from juniper berries? Gin. What country has the highest number of citizens over the age of 65? Japan. Area 51 is located in which U.S. state? Nevada. What U.S. fast food chain is credited with introducing the first drive-through window to the masses? In-N-Out Burger. In what city and state is Harvard University located? Cambridge, Massachusetts. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is celebrated on February 2nd, and is it also a film? Groundhog Day. What is the longest-running American animated TV show? The Simpsons. Where in the human body is the smallest bone located? The ear. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Jupiter. What is the name of the largest river to flow through Paris? The Seine. What is the highest mountain in Britain? Ben Nevis. What is the center of a cyclone called? Eye. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which gas is the most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean. What is the fastest animal in the world? Peregrine falcon. Which musical instrument has 88 keys? Piano. For whom was the Taj Mahal built? A beloved wife. From which part of the plant is wasabi made? Rhizome. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? Tanzania. The famous play Hamlet is written by William Shakespeare. How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards? 52. In 1844, who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the highest mountain in the solar system? Olympus Mons. Who won a Nobel Prize in Physics? Wilhelm Röntgen. What do bees collect from flowers? Pollen. Which one turns into a butterfly? Caterpillar. What is a baby horse called? Foal. Where the hottest temperature ever recorded? United States. What countries use yurts? Mongolia. For the Moonlight Sonata, which composer is famous? Beethoven. Which line divides the Earth into two equal parts? Equator line. How many rings are there in the Olympic Games logo? 5. Which color is not a primary color? Orange. What does WW stand for? World Wide Web. Where do kangaroos originate from? Australia. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Carbon dioxide.